This may not be everybody's cup of tea. I've been having changed my oil out here on the outskirts somewhere of Slab City. I don't know if you can hear it, but every once in a while we'll see one of the A-10s or something doing a bombing run or shooting a gun. Pretty freaking neat. It's not very glamorous, but we have all the comforts of home. We do have electric if we need it. Got plenty of solar. Got batteries. We are set. And I'm going to do a little bit of work on my 200-mile-an-hour tape. I got to try and find some sheet metal or another donor van here and get this fixed. Anyway, here we are. In the middle of nowhere. I love it. No traffic, no people to bother you. Slab City is down that direction. But today's van maintenance day. I'll give you we put on about 2,200 miles, I think it was. Really close to that. And it took us 8 full days. Now I say full days, it's about 300 miles a day. Stopping for the dogs. The first 4 days were hell. It just rained. Torrential rain. Then we had a couple of days of nothing but desert. From Texas, we stopped in El Paso. After that, we come up through, what the hell was it, Tucson, Phoenix. Just desert. Just like this, all the way. Well, this is a little more sandy. As you get to Quartzsite, the desert is more rocky. But anyway, I'm going to have to get to it. I got to get my oil changed, grease it up, and get ready for some more driving. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, bye, bye.